any kind of disturbance? Hello?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. So I have read something like there were two persons, like Mr. William and Mr. Jim in XYZ organization. So
Yes.
Mr. William is believing like a fixed type of person. Like he believes like everything should be followed by whatever orders you get from your superiors, whatever orders the, your managers are giving to you, you should follow it. Don't
Okay.
do any kind of activity apart from that. And Mr. Jim is like a what we can say understanding type of person who understands the feeling and who understands the mental health of employees. Like
Hmm.
if the employee is so much creative, so
Hmm.
he gave him or her a chance to explore or to show her creativity or his creativity in front of the work in between the work, so that
Very
that work can be completed within a time or before time. So there were a question is which from this two person who is better. So this is kind of one way question, but I do want to answer it. Like I what I think like both of them are right at their own place because Mr. William is believing like superiors order are best. Mr. Jim is believing like employees are creative so that we need to hear employees only. So if that two persons started work together, so they can make a beautiful bond, and that will really help to grow the company.
absolutely right. Yeah. Anyone? How many of you agree with Anurag? Yes. Anyone want to suggest some kind of suggestions? And my question, yeah, beautifully explored by Anurag. But my question is like that: ki, what do you think about XYZ corporation head advisors, and it your point of view to write? Anyone? Lot of views because everyone's are unique and you have a different kind of solutions because lot of working are here. So I'm expect from those people who are actually working. So please share your ideas and views regarding them. Yes, it is correct or not. Come on, a lot of people are here. See, if you discuss, that means you are clear all this point. Okay, you improve your thought process. Come on, speak up. Don't keep quiet. What do you feel? Yes, Snehal, Chetan, Abhishek, Suvarna. Come on, Amit, Aniket, Gaurav, Mahesh, Shraddha. Yesterday we have seen managers versus leadership. This PPT impact on these case study? Anyone? What do you say? Discussion. Come on, come on.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Suvarna.
Suvarna here.
Yes, Suvarna.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good evening to you.
I agree with the I agree with the opinion of Anurag because Mr. William is working as like a manager. What the top management tells him, he agrees with them, and they are not having the taking the opinions of the low level employees. But I think Mr. Jim is a HR manager of the company, so he knows how many employees should he require to get the task completed for a particular project. So I think that Mr. Jim is working as a leader.
Good.
Yesterday you shown us a PPT, so he
Yes.
is working as a leader here, and I go with the opinion of Mr. Jim.
Okay. Very, very good. Very good. Anyone? Yes. Come on, lot of people share your ideas and thoughts. If you don't speak, how you elaborate yourself, how you define yourself. See, if you join my class, then you have to be discussed, each and every point. Come on, come on. Sushil, Abhishek, Chetan, Amit Gundar, Aniket, Jayjit, Gaurav. Only 2 people are here. Ajay Gaikwad, where are you? Sarthak, are you here? Okay. Rucha, Swapnil. Manasi, where are you? Yeah, Deepika, are you right? But that is not answer. You need to elaborate. Okay. Like that, yesterday we have seen the PPT of leadership and case study ask the question. So you have to elaborate your own word because all students are here, so they know what is your thought process and what ideas and thought comes in your mind. Because in organizations we are not working as a friendly. Yeah, you have to show that friendly environment. Okay, but it's not happened like that. Yeah, am I audible to everyone? My voice is clear or not?
Yes, madam.
Yes. So yes, Yashovardhan, what is your opinion? Manasi, what is your opinion? Rucha, Yogesh, Patil, come on. See, at least 10 to 15 people are want to be respond every day. Yes, come on, who is ready?
Yes, ma'am. Vishal here.
Yes, Vishal.
Madam, I would like to share my experience
Yes.
based on this theory only. Suppose we are working in a production company.
Mhm.
So normally we want to deal with workers as well. So
Right.
any manager who is controlling his workers, he
Mhm.
need to take their opinion also because they are more experienced and always they are working in that machine.
Hmm.
So I can give you one example.
Mhm.
While manufacturing paper, we face one problem that in heavier GSM,
Hmm.
suppose like a tissue paper and one is the heavy paper.
Yes.
So we are facing problem to lift that paper.
Mhm.
So one of my worker come to me and he said that we can use a bigger nozzle and
Yes.
we can use a bigger nozzle and we can increase the flow rate of air so that the paper can lift. So it is very beneficial for us also and it saves downtime. So we are giving heavy production loss at that time. And due
Okay.
to that opinion, we save time for the company. So I can go with Jim's theory.
Yes. Correct. Thank you, Vishal. Are you working in production company?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I work for production company for 8 to 9 years now. I'm looking for technical sales and marketing.
Okay. Okay. Very explorative answers you have given. I hope all students listen you and they agree with you. Yes. Very nice example you share with
Yeah.
us.
Yes, ma'am. And I would like to add something because in every meeting we call them and we take all suggestions
Yes.
for the senior workers.
Yes, yes, yes. And that is too much important because if you want to improve your work, your and tasks, whatever the assignment you have shared with your workers and you appreciate them, so they will definitely work very well, right?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Vishal. Next. Yes, come on. This is your platform. If you don't discuss, yes, Mansi, come on.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Am I
Mansi.
audible?
Yes. Let's share
I
your.
agree with Vishal. I agree with Vishal.
Mm-hmm.
I also want to go with James,
Mm-hmm.
and he told that we should discuss with the staff members as well.
Mhm.
And if we discuss with the staff members, we get more ideas, and it will be beneficial for our company or organization.
Okay, Mansi.
So-
Yes, Mansi, I have a questions. So tell
Yes.
me, whom should you with means go right gym or means manager or leadership?
We can go with leadership also, but management is first, I guess.
No. Actually, my question is, you want to become a manager or you want to become a leader?
I want to become a leader,
Okay.
but for an organization, the management is essential.
Yes,
So-
yeah, right.
First we have to learn how to manage. If we are
Yes.
expert in that, then we will go ahead and we will get leadership qualities more.
Absolutely right. Absolutely. Very good. Very nice. Yes. Anyone?
Yeah, ma'am, Vishal here.
Yes,
I would
Vish-
like to add one thing.
Mhm.
We can take your example of Indian Army.
Yes.
We are working for different organization.
Hmm.
So when we are in the army, suppose there is a situation of war,
Mhm.
so we are clear with the management, but we need to give some examples.
Mhm.
So Indian Army officer are the first to
Hmm.
enter in the enemy territory,
Yes.
and others are following them, because in Indian Army nobody wants to. I mean, we are working for the organization, but
Mhm.
in Indian Army we are working. I mean, we are in the enemy territory and we are very in dangerous situation.
Hmm.
So nobody wants to die, and we need to die for our country. So officers are the first who are setting the examples.
Yes. Absolutely right.
That's the thing. Yeah. Thank you.
Lot of examples are here, but why I am asking the questions, because of your thought process, your imagination, what you think about it, right? So today's situation is everywhere, either in management, either in army, either in wherever you go. But if your decision making is strong, if you manage the situation, definitely you are the best. Got it? If you don't manage it, sometimes the situations are happened like that. We have seen last 2 years in this pandemic. Okay, but then next unit we have seen controlling, planning, and all. But the decision and planning is most important for every leader and every manager. If your decision is wrong, everything spoil. Got it? So I'm always telling you, just keep your mind stressful. If अगर यहाँ पे stress है, तो थोड़ा सा भी decision गलत हो सकता है. Got it? So next unit will learn lot of things. Very good to all of you. Anyone want to share your ideas and imaginations regarding leadership and manager and the case studies of management? Yes. See, आप बोलोगे तो दूसरे भी सीखेंगे. So आपको दूसरे आपके colleagues के लिए बोलना है. Don't hide your imagination and ideas in you. You have a guts. You are a too much capable. All students. Okay. So just share your imagination, ideas, thoughts. It's your. आप ही को पढ़ना है, मुझे पढ़ना नहीं है. Please share your ideas, imagination regarding this. Come on, आपको लगता है ये subject easy है, theoretical बहुत easy है, but practical it's too much difficult, because manage all things, risks, controlling, planning, decision, everything means management. You have seen your mother, right, at your home. If you remember your childhood, that time she sacrificed lot of things to your family, to your children's, for her if she is working, so lot of sacrifice she did. और आपने कभी देखा है अपनी मम्मी को थोड़ा सा भी ऊ आ करते हुए? कितना प्यार से वो सारी चीजें हैंडल कर लेती है। सुबह उठना, उसका टिफिन बनाओ, उसको टाइम पे उठाओ, राइट, हस्बैंड का करो, एवरीथिंग शी विल मैनेज, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल, शी नेवर डिनाइड एवरीथिंग। शी, और हम थोड़ा सा भी स्ट्रेस हो जाए तो टाइम ही नहीं मिला, टाइम ही नहीं था, टायर्ड था, we just giving lots of excuses. So learn from your mother. जब वो कर सकती है, आपको इतने से इतना बना सकती है, राइट, तो आप भी कर सकते हो। बट प्रोसेस को टाइम लगता है, क्योंकि आप जब छोटे थे और अभी जो आप बने हो, है ना, तो मैनेजमेंट भी वैसा ही है। इट डजंट मैटर कि आपने आज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ज्वाइन की तो आप तुरंत ही मैनेजर बन जाओगे, नेवर, टाइम प्रोसेस। सीख सीख के, प्रैक्टिस कर करके ही आपको आगे बढ़ना है, तभी तो आपका डिसीजन पावर बढ़ेगा, राइट। नाउ anyone want to ask or anyone want to share your ideas, thoughts, imagination regarding this case study? Because we have seen lot of case studies, learn lot of case studies. Yes, so today all of you seen my PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have seen how is manager's job changing, why and how they are changing his or her job, because of frustration, because of lot of work pressure, because of not a good environment, lot of criterias are here, right? So here are some, how is manager's job changing, like customer, social media, innovation, sustainability. What do you mean? क्या लगता है आपको? Anyone? Anyone? See, गलत होगा, don't be afraid कि yes गलत हो गया यार, मैंने इतने बच्चों के सामने गलत, don't feel like that. Yes, share your views. आपको क्या लगता है वो शेयर करिए, चलिए। So,
Will you repeat the question, ma'am, please?
have you seen my PPT?
That was the question. Yes.
Yes, so I'm just asking you, what do you feel like that? Ki how is a manager's job changing? Like the option is customer, social media, innovation, sustainability. So what is the reason? क्या reason हो सकता है आपको लगता है? That is my question.
Ma'am, this is Ajay Gaikwad.
Yes.
I feel a manager job is like a sandwich. He has to handle his superior level peoples and higher management also.
Yes. So what do you think? Sandwich?
Yeah. Because he has to solve the problem of employees, and he has to coordinate employees problem with the higher management. He has to link up with the employees problem with the higher managements and stakeholders.
Lot of, wherever
Yeah.
he work. If you are working marketing,
And he want to convey message of higher management to
yes,
staff.
to solve
and,
the, yes.
Yes.
Yes, whatever the problems, whatever the what any kind of criteria, he just keep in front of the management, and whatever the management decided, he follow the, not
Yes,
only he and his superior want to follow the management advice order,
Yeah.
right? So
Yes.
sometimes we happy, sometimes we bad, feel like not bad, and we are some frustrated and want to quit our job. And a lot of people think like that ki yes, we are working this company from last 10 to 15 years and getting bored, same kind of work, same kind of, so no issue. If you want to learn new something, definitely you join next. You know that your MBA is before this syllabus, the 19 syllabus, your MBA is a dual MBA, means dual like that, you have to choose 2 specializations, right? Finance, HR. So MBA people is very easily change their job. अगर डॉक्टर कहे कि मुझे जॉब चेंज करना है तो दे आर नॉट डूइंग, उनको तो वही करना है, राइट, डेली बेसिस पे. गॉट इट. इंजीनियर भी, lot of engineering students quit their engineering and they join MBA and start to job in banking and manufacturing companies and all, right? Because it's a very easy to change ourselves. Why? Because we learn a lot of activities. We work a lot of people, marketing, social media, digital design, everything you have to be fit. So why people are joining MBA? Because of lot of specialization, lot of activities, lot of creativity, and options are too much available in market. तो इंजीनियर का जो बंदा है वो मार्केटिंग नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज ही एज नॉलेज ओनली. इंजीनियरिंग में भी बहुत सारी फील्ड्स होती है, मैकेनिकल, देन माइनिंग, सिविल एंड ऑल, राइट? सो द नॉलेज ऑफ दिस थिंग. अगर आप मार्केटिंग में अच्छा है तो डेफिनेटली यू शुड ट्राई मार्केटिंग, राइट? देन फाइनेंस इज वेरी वास्ट, HR is very vast, right? So means too much platforms are open for MBA. So how is manager, how is manager job changing? So customers, what happen if you are working in manufacturing company? Since abhi mujhe sorry Vishal ne bataya, right? Vishal is here. So Vishal said like that he was working last 8 to 9 years from same company and he handling the workers and all. So now he is fine because everything is going good. But after some times or after 1 to 3 years, some managers or some superior comes in his office or uska boss agar change ho jata hai, if he's, so definitely he frustrated if his boss dominate him continuously, right? So he definitely decide quit the job because he learned lot of things last 10 years to 20 years, right? And he started something new, or he quit and he joined something new. Am I right, Vishal?
Yes, ma'am, probably.
Yes. So that is means what I am actually saying like that ki manager skills, management skills never end. You learn lot. If you quit, you get second opportunity. So always create opportunity. You have to trust yourself that yes, if I quit this, I have an opportunity to others. That's why in India, lots of multinational companies are here and lot qualified people, especially I have seen in my offices, in my corporate, I have seen lot of engineers, even army persons are joined management companies and they are in a good position like CFO, director, and they handling everything. Got it? So lot of opportunities here. So आपको घबराना नहीं है, but आपको अच्छे से सीखना है. You should learn every aspect of management, whatever I am saying, and others faculties share their experience and ideas with you. Got it? So the customers, if you are working in marketing and a lot of customers, you interact with them, right? Every day, hi, hello, then the bonding, your relationship is good. Someone is in front of your office or your wherever you go. Okay, so what happened when you interact with people means what happened? You share your ideas, you share your thought, what happened in their company and your company. Okay, so what is next?
यार आधी सांगायचं होतं ना चहा पाहिजे, पातेलं नाही,
Just-
त्याला चहा दिला.
कोण आहे? अनम्यूट करा. So what I am saying here, कि when you interact with others, what happened? अभी तक तो ठीक है, आप लोग जो फ्रेशर्स है वो भी बाहर निकलने की कोशिश करिए, कहीं तो भी ज्वाइन करिए. So कहने का मतलब यही है कि जब आप MBA करते हो या MBA कर रहे होते हो, दैट मीन्स यू इंटरेक्ट ऑल पीपल, हाय हेलो, कम्युनिकेट देम, विजिट द इंडस्ट्रीज, सोचो क्या हो रहा है मार्केट में, बैंक्स में क्या हो रहा है, मार्केट में क्या हो रहा है, होलसेल मार्केट में क्या हो रहा है ना, फॉरेन मार्केट में क्या हो रहा है, ये सारी चीजें पढ़ो, एक्सपर्ट्स है, एक्सपर्ट्स की राय लो, पूछते रहो, इफ यू हैव एन क्वेश्चन देन आस्क हिम, क्लियर योर डाउट। एंड व्हाट हैपेंड एक्चुअली, आपकी आइडियाज क्या होगी, इंप्रूव होंगी, योर आइडियाज। अभी जो लोग जॉब कर रहे हैं उनको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बिकॉज दे वर्क एंड दे शेयर देयर आइडियाज एवरीथिंग, बट दोज हु आर नॉट वर्किंग, ओके, सो इंटरेक्ट विद देम, कॉम्पिटिशंस में पार्टिसिपेट करिए, राइट? बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसमें आप अपने आप को कहीं तो भी इन्वॉल्व करिए, कोई ऐसी चीज जिससे आपको लर्न करने को मिल रहा है, या ऐसी कोई स्किल या कोई चीज जिसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट है, राइट, जो आपका फ्यूचर बना सकती है, इट्स हेल्प यू इन योर फ्यूचर, सो दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। नाउ सोशल मीडिया, व्हाट इज नाउ, यू नो, सोशल मीडिया इज टू मच स्ट्रॉन्ग, राइट? थोड़ा सा भी कुछ हो जाता है, एनीथिंग इज हैपेंड, वी हैव सीन before that social media, no one read newspapers, no one that knows what happened actually, but nowadays everyone, even you also, knowing about the current news or the social, if you are a marketing person, so that person know an idea about every social media market. If you are a doctor, then you know about related the information, engineer related the information, artist related there, so everything is available. What you want to do, you have to improve yourself, polished you, discipline you, जो भी आप में कमी है उसे आप फुलफिल करने की कोशिश करिए, उसे अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश करिए, that is. And we have seen this pandemic, lot of people who lost their job, what they did, they start their own business, they start their new startup, their new innovations, only the help of social media, right? In our students, last batch students and 1921 students, what they did, a lot of people are left their job because of pandemic, someone is doing work from home, and those who are working from home, they are created a business and they joined their friends also. So I'll just tell you there are 2-3 names. What is a Priyanka Sharma, she started online boutique, okay, and she joined a lot of their colleagues, their relatives and all, so she started her business very smoothly, and it's a zero money, she started with zero money. But why she did? Because she had skill, she know how to handle people, she know how to communicate with them, she know the idea of markets of clothes, but what kind of clothes, she just put it in their social media, people just show everything she's mentioned like that, price and all, quality and all, and definitely people just watch and buy that kind of product, whatever. So even our schools and colleges going with on this platform, right? So you are, means you don't keep quiet, everything, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ आपको कि सभी चीजें अवेलेबल है, just you have to use it, push करो, it's okay. अभी आप MBA कर रहे हो, you just learn MBA, after 2 years you should start something new. Got it? Innovation, what it is? Something new, something creative. Nowadays, when social medias and digitalization comes, we have seen new and different and varieties are available in market. New architectures available in market. right? New designs available in markets, everything. So you should innovative yourself कि आप अच्छा कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या, कुछ innovative कर सकते हैं क्या, how to use and how to improve your speed. What is the meaning of speed? Not only speed means your writing speed, your communication skill, your understanding skills, what others speak with you. Lot of time it's happens if I have seen like that, those people who are talking or just communicating each other. One, if they are in very well in English, then definitely they communicate and they enjoy the communications with each other. But you have seen sometimes communicate in Hindi and someone is communicating in English, so the Hindi person are getting bored because they don't understand what he said, and the person who speak in English, he feel like that he give him a lot of time opportunity, he speak very well, slowly, politely, everything, but the person who know the Hindi, he don't know or he don't understand what he say actually. Okay, so that kind of criteria you have to improve yourself when you are going any market or any place. Those are speaking in English, so try to understand what he actually says. Okay, lot of videos and YouTube is, everyone have YouTube, so you have listen videos, motivating videos, management videos, everything you have listened at least when you go to bed or early in the morning, and clear your concept, improve your brain, improve your speed, improve your working style. Got it? So that is innovation. Every year you have decided ki this year I have to do something new, and day by day, year by year, you definitely change yourself, your ideas, your communications, and everything. Got it? Now, sustainability, what it is actually? Anyone?
Continuity.
Yes, anyone?
How long you stay?
Yes. Anyone? Okay, so very true, guys, thank you so much. So that is sustainability, means you have to improve, not only improve, but आपको इस मार्केट में लॉन्ग टाइम तक रहना है. You should have to create your identity, और उस आइडेंटिटी को आपको 10 साल 15 साल के लिए क्या करना है, जिंदा रखना है कि yes, 15 years people knows who are you actually. Got it? It's take time because you are a new. So you have to create your identity anyway, your workplace, your society, at your home, with your friends and all, because social media is active now. Everyone, every people are active in social media. So this is most important. आज की डेट में अभी हम जिस, आपको तो ये you all of known very well कि हम लोग अभी भी 100 years पीछे हैं. किसके? फॉरेन्स के. फॉरेन के बच्चे या वो देखेंगे ना, तो आप एकदम बहुत टू मच एक्टिव, सारी चीजें उनको अच्छे से याद हो जाती है, सारी चीजें, एवरीथिंग एवरीथिंग वो बहुत हम मतलब ग्रास्प नहीं कर पाते बहुत सारी चीजें, अगर आप देखेंगे तो. सो इस टाइप के मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस देखिए, आप कुछ ऐसी चीजें करिए जिससे आपको इजीली सीखने को मिले या इजीली आप वो कर सको. सो दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. आइडेंटिटी ऐसी नहीं है कि अभी तो आपको आपके पापा के नाम से जाना जाता है कि यस, ही इज द सन ऑफ दोज पर्सन XYZ, बट ऐसा कुछ करो कि आने वाले 2 साल बाद या आफ्टर द MBA, व्हेन यू गेट अ जॉब, व्हेन यू गेट अ गुड सैलरी, देन पीपल सेज लाइक दैट कि ये अनुराग के पापा है या ये विशाल के पापा है. सो क्रिएट योर आइडेंटिटी गाइज, have to do it. अभी तक तो आपको पापा के नाम से जाना जाता था कि yes, but now you have an option, you have an opportunity to change yourself, to change your identity. कितना अच्छा है ना ये प्रोसेस. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि Yes, God, we all are God gifted. We have everything, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, good mind also. So we have to use to do good thing, to do good services, to polite, communicate each other, to respect each other, and most important, to gratitude everyone. Got it? Next. Have you seen second slides?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Second slide is importance of customers to the manager's job. Manager's job is most important, and what is the importance of customers? So technology touch with customers. You know, we have seen in social media, if any ad or any product is available, we have seen everything, right? मैंने आपको पहले दिन बोल दिया था कि जब इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक दैट, पहले जो आया था पैंडेमिक, उस वक्त तो बहुत सारे लोग मर गए थे क्योंकि खाने पीने के लिए कुछ नहीं था दैट टाइम. Lot of people died because of starvation, no food available, no clothes and lot. But this pandemic, how many we are happy ना कि हमें ऐसी कोई भी चीज नहीं थी जो मिली नहीं. हाँ, विलेजेस में या अदर्स जहाँ पे मतलब सर्विस ही नहीं जाती है, उन लोगों को हुआ, बट सिटी में, हम लोग तो सिटी में रहते हैं, राइट? हम लोग तो घर में बैठ के भी काम कर रहे थे. सो रियली बी बिकॉज ऑफ गॉड ग्रेस. ओके, सो बट और ये सब कैसे हुआ? बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी थी, हम टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज कर रहे थे, देख रहे थे, जॉब सर्च कर रहे थे, देन कुछ चाहिए रहता था या कुछ भी हमें. अभी क्या होता है, पहले मतलब एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगी कि पहले जो डॉक्टर्स थे, है ना, वो मतलब एक ही डॉक्टर सारे चीजों का क्या करता था, इलाज करता था कि हाँ कुछ भी हो गया कि उसके पास जाओ तो सारी चीजें यू आर कंफर्टेबल. बट नाउअडेज वी हैव सीन if in our family, because social media is there and lot of experts and lot of suggestions are there, so if मतलब मैं तो देखती हूँ अगर किसी को कुछ भी हो जाता है तो हम डायरेक्ट डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ वी आर फियर्ड. हम अफ्रेड हो जाते हैं कि क्या हो गया. बट अगर आपने थोड़ा सा भी अपना प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड यूज किया तो आपके पास जो ये है ना, इस पे आप सर्च कर सकते हैं कि एक्चुअल व्हाट इज द कॉज डिसीज एंड व्हाट हैपेंड. आज इतना कोविड था, इतना बहुत सारे लोग तो घबरा के ही चले गए, बट जो पीपल अवेयर थे, जो न्यूज पढ़ रहे थे या जो भी प्रिकॉशंस के साथ जिन्होंने सारी चीजों को हैंडल किया, स्पेशली those who are handled very well, those who are managed very well, really I appreciate them because of they use their sixth sense and good presence of mind. Got it? So technology is available everywhere, but you have to choose the correct things. Also, we have seen like that fraud companies and fraud cases are here available in also, because you know जहाँ पे अच्छाई होती है वहां बुराई होती ही है. So lot of people I have seen कि वो मतलब कॉल आते थे कि आपका पैसा यहाँ इन्वेस्ट करो तो एक दिन में 2 हो जाएगा, 2 लाख हो जाएंगे. सो डोंट डू. और उसके लिए भी हमारा जो साइबर यूनिट था वो हमें बैंक के थ्रू और या फिर उनके जरिए जो मैसेजेस आते थे, हमें ऑलवेज अवेयर करता है कि बैंक कभी भी आपको नेवर आस्क योर एटीएम पिन कोड, कार्ड नंबर एंड ऑल. अगर आप ये यूज करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आप गलत चीजों से दूर रहेंगे. सो ऑलवेज यूज, इसे हमेशा शांत रखिए. ये इतना सा है, यहाँ पे अगर थोड़ा सा आपका कंट्रोल अच्छे से आ गया ना तो आप सारी चीजें, कितना भी प्रेशर हो, कितना भी वर्कलोड हो, यू हैव टू हैंडल इट. गॉट इट? सो टेक्नोलॉजी, और हमें अभी टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ ही जाना है. गॉट इट? वी यूज एवरी डे, एवरी टाइम use technology. Now yesterday one of my friend just called me regarding digital asset, you know, cryptocurrency and all. Lot of people are invest that kind of currency. It's called digital asset. You have an idea about it? किसी को कुछ पता है इसके बारे में, या किसी ने कहीं इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है? मुझे अच्छा लगेगा अगर कोई शेयर करेगा उसका व्यूज.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mahesh. What
Yeah,
it
I
is
have invested
actually?
in the cryptocurrency.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like the same as a share market, but we have a cryptocurrency. It's on the running on the chain on the blockchain technology.
Absolutely right. Yes, that is I'm expect. Yes.
Yeah, and it's all the digital currency
Yes.
which we can evaluate or anything we can put it in. So
Uh-huh.
it will be once we will got the actual what is investment and the returns, so we can immediately get all the money.
Yes. So,
And that is more than efficient than the what it is called share market. We can invest immediately, we can remove immediately.
yes,
That's not an
immediate.
issue.
But you have
And-
to control about it. Okay, you know
Yeah.
about it. What is actually happened every day, right? If you
Yes,
don't,
correct.
if you skip this, जिस आपने कह दिया कि मैंने invest कर दिया अब होता रहेगा. No. Okay,
Yeah.
you have to take effort.
And we have to also share that we have some study on that particular coins.
Definitely.
And, yeah, there are
Definitely.
fraud coins as well. Whatever.
Of course, मैंने अभी कहा अच्छा ये तो बुरा ही है.
There of my two of friends, they have invested in some coins which is not that is not fully known. So they are invested in within a month. This coin will be disappeared.
Oh.
Yeah, that is also the risk.
Yes, correct. So that is I'm saying like that कि you need to aware about it. Everything is available, technology is used, everything, but you are sure about it. Good with go companies, good with brands. Okay, technology is here, but you should go with brand. You should trust those companies who are really working since 10-20 years. Okay, don't trust new companies, because all markets, all countries are we have seen in social media. Okay, so don't go with there. If you need some help or an ideas, then you have ask your experts and especially bankers also. Okay, so before take any risks, you should ask someone. Now, face-to-face contact replaced emails and text message. Yes, we have seen ki if you are what we say ki if you required some kind of product and you just ordered some kind of product, it's come and then you find like that ki some what we say fault in that product. So what you do, there is some policies. Okay, you should just open this and you call them or you just message them ki that kind of product I have received, but it's some kind of fraud or some damages, please exchange this. So they will come and exchange. So a lot of companies like Amazon, Snapdeals and all, especially लड़कियों को तो सब पता ही होगा, वो बहुत ज्यादा कुछ ना कुछ खरीदती रहती है. So आजकल मेंस भी खरीदते हैं, no issue. तो उसी पर्टिकुलर कंपनी से, but Amazon is not a company. Okay, so a lot of company are available and so brand company को use करिए जो मतलब market में available है. So nowadays it's easily contact with them through email, through WhatsApp, through text message and everything, right? So face-to-face contact is not possible, but the face-to-face contact through email, via WhatsApp, via message is available. Now, competitiveness and customer satisfaction. Due to this pandemic, we have seen Amazon and other companies are earn a lot because of there is no competitions, but the satisfaction because of the COVID. No, everything is shut down, and the Amazon and other companies are provided everything with free of delivery or whatever the charges they have taken and give the satisfaction of every customers. Any company names you know about it? Amazon and yes, Snapdeal and
Yes, ma'am.
what is? I just tell me the names of companies.
Myntra,
Yes,
Flipkart.
yes, right. Yes.
Misho.
Misho, yes.
Laika.
Ajio.
Yes. So lot of companies are available. Now, customer responsive organizations where employees are friendly, courteous, accessible, and responsive to customer needs. अगर आप भी कोई बिजनेस करते हैं, इस मार्केटिंग में आना चाहते हैं, तो यू शुड नो द थिंग्स बिकॉज ऑफ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट इज कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन. ओके, सो बहुत सारे मतलब क्या होते हैं कि एक ही शॉप से हमें लेना पसंद होता है. मुझे पता है कि मैं जब मम्मी के साथ जाती थी तो मेरी मम्मी एक ही शॉप में जाती थी, कुछ भी खरीदना हो, क्योंकि सब मिलता था वहां पे. तो वो जो अंकल थे उनके साथ इतना अच्छा मतलब रिलेशन हो गया था कि कभी अगर मम्मी पापा नहीं भी आए तो भी अगर हम गए तो हमें वो चीजें मिल जाती थी बिकॉज ऑफ कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन बोलो या फिर ट्रस्ट. कहीं जाना ही नहीं है ना, और हमें जो चाहिए वो वहां पे मिल रहा है सारी चीजें. सो व्हाई शुड वी गो हियर एंड देयर? इवन nowadays we have seen the malls, lot of variety are available there. You should go there, you should enjoy food, you should buying what kind of clothes, footwear, some fashionable things, everything is available such a one place, right? So the competitions is too much, but these competitions you should know the satisfaction of customers. Now next, have you seen my third slides? Importance of social media to the manager's job.
Yes, ma'am.
The new frontier in communication is social media. Nowadays we have used to this social media through कुछ भी मंगाना है या whatever you need. Nowadays a lot of options are available in social media like weddings, some functions. If you want to arrange any kind of function, so you just lot of means. आप ये देखिए कि due to this pandemic people are aware and they know their futures. Okay, so they invest and they started their own something like that because they know कि अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, right? So they are aware and they are frontier to communication in social, because lot of relatives, lot of people here and there, and they just put some whatever they want, and everyone they know people are buying and they get satisfied. But the quality is most important. What kind of product you have sold, the quality is most important. Platforms such as the Facebook and Twitter have moved beyond personal use. कमेंट करना कितना अच्छा लगता है ना आपको. कोई लोग ऐसे होते हैं बोलते नहीं, लेकिन कमेंट करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. किसी किसी का वो मतलब अच्छा क्वालिटी भी होता है, क्योंकि सभी को कमेंट करनी नहीं आती है ना. सो कमेंट्स करते रहना चाहिए, या कुछ ट्विटर्स पे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. तो फेसबुक और ट्विटर जो है, मतलब इसके थ्रू भी हम मार्केट को क्या कर सकते हैं. अभी आप देखते होंगे अपने फेसबुक या ट्विटर पे लॉट्स ऑफ competitions or lots of lectures, lots of people and any kind of news are available here. तो आप वहां पे भी अपना अगर कुछ भी स्टार्टअप करना चाह रहे हो तो वहां पे भी डाल दिया तो एक्चुअली पीपल वॉच तो करेंगे. और अपना दोस्त रहेगा वहां पे, अगर आपका दोस्त है तो वो क्या करेगा यार, अपने दोस्तों को फॉरवर्ड करेगा. ऐसे करते करके आपका जो मार्केट नेटवर्क एरिया है वो क्या होगा, ऐसे ही ग्रो अप होगा. लॉट ऑफ पीपल आई हैव सीन कि दे एक नहीं, दो नहीं, 6 7 बिजनेस एक साथ स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. सो दैट इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ मैनेजर्स. मतलब अगर आपने मैनेजर्स, हम कौन सा टॉपिक लर्न कर रहे हैं कि व्हाई मैनेजर्स चेंजिंग हिज जॉब, क्योंकि उसने कॉर्पोरेशन में, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सब कर चुका है वो, राइट. सो उसको बहुत अच्छे से नॉलेज है. ही हैज नो आइडिया अबाउट हाउ टू स्टार्ट, how to handle situation, how to manage people, everything. So therefore when he start their own business or something like new, so it's easy for him because he know everything, right? So enhance customer relationship, help better manage customers. You need to improve customer relationship. You need to improve your communication skill. Talkative बनिए, बात करते रहिए. Always, whatever the product you have to share ideas, knowledge about that product every time. What innovative you have to. One second. Shall sir. Where is battery? It's down. Is it? Okay. So, sorry. So, the customer relationship is most important. जैसे आपके यहाँ पे मिल्कमैन आता है रोज मॉर्निंग में, right? How many years you have seen him? Lot of years, because of relations. So ऐसे ही मार्केट में जहां पे भी आप any kind of product you have, कोई भी अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो आपका रिलेशनशिप बनना, इवन फैमिली मेंबर के साथ कहीं पे भी, जो अगर टॉकेटिव बंदा है, जो स्मार्ट है, स्माइलिंग फेस है, जो कम्युनिकेशन करना जानता है, सो डेफिनेटली ही एंजॉय दैट काइंड ऑफ वर्क. सभी को नहीं आता ये, ठीक है? सो if you want to improve yourself, if you have a knowledge particular, सबसे पहले तो आपको knowledge होना चाहिए. और ये सब कब होगा? After 10 to 20 years बाद. It doesn't mean like that कि अभी आप management पढ़ रहे हैं, after that you are doing something managerial work or leadership work, and after that what you do, you have to decide it now. Yes, I learn these things, those things, management, and then I will start my own business. Right? So that is the important to you. Importance of innovation to manager's job. क्या है innovations? Nothing is more risky than not innovating. अगर innovative नहीं बनाओगे तो कुछ नहीं, रिस्क लेने में ये नहीं है. जैसे फूड मार्केट में आप जाते हो, जरूरी नहीं है कि रोज उसका टेस्ट एक ही होगा, कभी कभी बिगड़ भी सकता है, बट जो एक्सपर्ट है उसने बना के प्रैक्टिस कर करके उसका टेस्ट वही रहता है. तो व्हाई पीपल आर जस्ट कमिंग एंड टेकिंग और सर्विंग और टेस्टिंग ओनली द पर्सन्स फूड बिकॉज ऑफ द टेस्ट. उसका टेस्ट अच्छा होता है ना? तो इनोवेटिव करेंगे तभी आपको कुछ मिलेगा. सो एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू ट्राई कि यस कुछ तो भी है. और एवरीवन, हर एक में अच्छा स्किल्स होता है, एवरीवन सब में है, तो उस स्किल को ही आप आगे इंप्रूव करिए. गॉट इट? सो दैट इज मोस्ट की. नथिंग इज मोर रिस्की, कुछ भी रिस्क नहीं है, देन नॉट इनोवेटिंग. कीप इन योर माइंड. राइट नाउ, importance of sustainability to the managers, and that is meeting needs of today without compromising need of tomorrow. Right? So compromising is important. आप अभी अगर means priority देना सीखिए कि which thing is the most prior to you. ये सीखना है तो इसे प्रायोरिटी देना. अब MBA करना है तो you should give प्रायोरिटी टू MBA. ओनली एंड ओनली 2 साल मुझे सिर्फ मैनेजमेंट ही पढ़ना है, सारे सब्जेक्ट लर्न करने हैं बस, विथ डेडिकेशंस के साथ. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल डिसाइड व्हाट यू वांट टू डू एक्चुअली. गॉट इट? सो दैट इज द मीटिंग नीड्स ऑफ टुडेज विदाउट कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग नीड्स ऑफ टुमारो. एनीवन वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग? Let me ask. Anyone want to discuss something? Any questions? Any doubt? समझ में आया आज का टॉपिक कि नहीं आया?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. तो क्या करना है आपको लाइफ में? Tell me. अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट है या नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो आप बोल सकते हैं. We have a way to speak lot of areas. बहुत सारे एरियाज, बहुत सारा एग्जाम्पल्स है हमारे पास. Okay, no one want to ask questions? Okay, so we have finished our first unit today, and from tomorrow we'll start new unit, second unit. Okay, anyone want to doubt? आप एक बार देख लीजिए कि आपको समझ में आया है नहीं आया है, और फिर मुझे बताइए. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
See you
bye bye.
tomorrow.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome.
Actually, I have one question.
Yes, please ask. Shubham Bhatkar. What? Tell me your name. Tell me your name, please.
This is Sudhanshu Kette. Actually, I'm a banking person.
Okay.
And I'm joining this class because of some work issue. I have to arrange or attend this class because of due to on the way of the traffic or on the way of the home.
Okay.
This is my profession. I just wanted to give one suggestion. Just give us a time for questioning or a summary for the whole subject for 1 hour, like for 5 minutes. So we can ask some question like before joining for the next session. I just wanted to have the suggestion from you.
Okay,
And,
I am always asking when we start the lectures. I'm always asking कि anyone want to ask anything or what I am sharing yesterday. It is very good, but the people.
Ma'am, let me finish. Your lecture was so wonderful. I really got some information like for the management and the manager material, which is very important for my like for my organization or for my position, and which is very understandable.
Yes.
And I just wanted to have a little suggestion that 5 minutes.
Yes, yes. No issue, no issue, Sudhanshu. But what I am saying here every day, told you कि when we start lectures, you just keep your notebook and whatever I am telling you, you just note down and you have to study yourself on. And when we start next day, you ask the questions. That is I am saying. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Bye bye, guys.
I wanted to have the suggestion that we will keep that 5 minutes, the last 5
Yes,
minutes.
yes. No issue. Every yeah. No issue. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.